In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Ads reports with a step-by-step guide. Generating these reports can provide valuable insights into your advertising performance, helping you optimize strategies and make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, having a robust report setup is crucial. So let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage, where you can get started with creating and managing your online ad campaigns. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that and sign into your Google Ads account using your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one now and then return to this guide. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken straight to the Google Ads homepage. This is the hub where you can view and manage your advertising campaigns. On the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane and click on the Campaigns tab. This area hosts a comprehensive list of all your advertising campaigns, past and present. It's a crucial part of the interface because here you can assess your campaign's performances. Now, with the campaigns in view, move on and click on the Insights and Reports section, also located conveniently in the left-hand navigation. This section offers valuable analytical data that can help you understand the performance of your campaigns better. It's like having a magnifying glass over the finer details of your marketing efforts. After entering the Insights and Reports section, the next step is to access the Report Editor, a versatile tool within Google Ads for creating custom reports. This editor allows you to manipulate and organize data so that you can see precisely the information you need without any clutter. To find it, simply click on Report Editor and you'll be presented with a place to start crafting your report. Now that you're in the Report Editor, you're ready to create a new report. Look for the Create Report button. Clicking on this will enable you to begin tailoring the details and specifications of your report. Here you can choose from different types of reports such as summary reports, performance reports, and more, depending on what insights you're aiming to garner. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough of creating Google Ads reports. By following these steps, you'll be able to generate reports that illuminate the effectiveness of your campaigns, helping you to refine your strategy and make informed marketing decisions. Take your time to explore each feature within Google Ads, as continuous learning and adaptation are key components in mastering online advertising. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in your future marketing endeavors.